Kenya's education transition rate has been hailed as a model of success during the just concluded Education World Education Forum in London. Bridges International Academies have also received recognition during the meeting, where experts said grade 1 pupils in the school were more than 3 times as likely to be able to read like their peers in other schools. The Education World Forum is the world's largest educational gathering, bringing together heads of state, thought leaders and academia, or interrogate the state of education globally.
In 2018, the government rolled out free tuition in secondary school 15 years after it introduced free primary education. Experts meeting during this year's Education World Forum in London have lauded Kenya's educational model, especially at the Bridges International Academies, for its holistic educational approach.
The report demonstrates that the path that is charted for the less privileged can be changed, and ensuring that they also have an advantage to be in a position to compete equally with peers in the advantaged privileged communities as well.
Nobel Prize economist Professor Michael Kremer has said a 2-year study of the Kenyan educational system has concluded that undeserved children receive 53% more learning over the course of their pre-primary and primary school career at institutions like Bridge International Academies, Kenya. The study says that after 2 years, primary school pupils in Bridge International Academies, Kenya, are nearly a whole additional year of learning ahead of children taught using standard methods.
The only reason why we are doing this is ensuring that we are effectively managing the schools, ensuring that we have structures and standards that we have set, that the teachers get to employ, that the academy managers get to use, so that they can support the teachers when they are instructing the classes. And this includes the way we are training our teachers, this includes the way we are monitoring them, this includes the way we are partnering with them, receiving feedback, continuing to improve on the instruction delivery mechanisms that we've put in place.
The World Bank estimates that 90% of 10-year-olds in sub-Saharan Africa do not reach this benchmark.